Here is another poem that I'm going to give out in the most impromptu way possible. So here it goes. If there was a way where I could stay in the mountains forever, I would go into a deep state of lotus meditation. I would go into the deep forests that rest under the dreams my eyelashes often blink on. If there was a way where I could stay in Garhwal forever, I would. I might have in many lifetimes, but something inside pulls me away so that I can come back a better me. Maybe this is a paradox, maybe it's a cycle. Perhaps it's a cycle that goes upwards. If there was a way that I could describe my love for the mountains, I would say I was born into it. I was born a Pahari girl, but I was never really all that Pahari until I took it to the task of going deep within the mountains that make me who I am. And these mountains have taught me stability, these mountains have taught me patience, and they have taught me calmness, which I never had because I have been like fire that charges like wildfire. I don't know, like volcanoes. But somewhere deep down, I always knew that this very place can handle me. Even if people can't, even if love can't, but the mountains can. And in that satisfaction, I go out, I discover myself, only to come back and realize that home is where the heart is, and my heart is generally in the mountains. Thank you for listening to another impromptu poem. I love being in the mountains, as you can see, and I'll come up with more of these. Until then, take care.